I'm a little bit drunk, I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking.
I'm a little bit drunk. I'm a little bit drunk. Gonna get wasted tonight. Ooh. I'm a little bit drunk. I'm a little bit drunk 'cause I'm drinking. And I don't want to stop. I say, yeah, you know what? Cause I'm drinking. No sleeping, just partying all night.
Have you guys seen this? With AI, making music is literally as easy as pie. And the best part is you can actually license your tracks and sell them on marketplaces. I know a lot of you have been asking me in the comments, can we make money by creating music with AI? Or will AI generated tracks get hit with copyright claims? Well, I found this AI tool that not only creates pro level lyrics and beats, but also helps you license your tracks and put them up for sale. It supports a ton of genres and styles, and the quality is seriously impressive. Check out a few of these samples.
And if I get sick, he'll heal me. If I'm feeling sad, now I know that I was sweet on this day.
Dancing alone, it won't take long. This is now. Let's get dancing, girl, on the floor. We're young enough to fight.
I'm in a situation. I don't know what to do. I never meant for anything like this to happen. Wasn't thinking of myself first. Whoa, this is awesome. It feels so good inside my mind. Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
Honestly, it's super professional and could be a legit competitor to Suno and Udio. Let's give it a shot together and break down all its cool features. This new AI tool is called Mureka, and as you can see, the interface is much simpler than Udio and Suno. On the left side, you can easily access different sections like the homepage, the create section for making music, the store for buying and selling AI-generated tracks, the library for your personal music collection, and the credit section where you can check your savings and subscription type. After logging in through your Google account or email, we can start by going to the create section. First, we'll choose a title for our project. I asked ChatGPT for some suggestions and it gave me these 10 topics. Let's go with the first one. Now we need to write the lyrics, and there are a few ways to do this. If you already have some text ready or got help from ChatGPT, you can paste it here. You can also use this option to create your lyrics line by line using AI. Another cool feature of Mureka is that you can precisely define different parts of the lyrics, like the intro, verse, bridge, or chorus. This really helps make your track sound more professional. But for now, I'm gonna let Mureka generate the entire text for me. Great, it did it quickly. Now, let's see what kind of music it creates for us if we skip choosing a style, vocal, and melody. By the way, I'll be fast forwarding or cutting some parts of the music just to keep this video concise.
I was lost in the city. There couldn't find. I was lost in the city. I couldn't find my place at all. So what am I supposed to do now? Like, how do I give up without losing it somehow?
Okay, so what we've listened to so far feels a bit calm and relaxed because of the type of lyrics. We can fix that using the style section. Here we can either paste a link to a reference track, upload a song from our device, or even select from one of the many preset styles. I'm gonna choose rock and set the mood to energetic. This one looks good. Let's see what it comes up with.
I was lost in the city, looking for some place to hide away. The lights were turning red and green. Knows me well, someone I can open up to.
The music style completely changed, and I think it's much better now. Let's go back to the main page. I want to make some changes to the lyrics and add or remove a few sections. I'll do this by shortening the text and adding a break. After that, I'll change the vocalist using this option. I think a female voice would sound better this time.
I dreamed of crafting a
But the path felt so hard.
Alright, now let's change the style again. This one looks good. Let's go ahead and check out the result.
I was lost in the city. I couldn't find my place at all. Then they turned off and everything went black. Ooh. I wanna be lost in the city. I'm waiting for something to come around, something to save myself from fall. Ooh, ooh.
Now I'll write a new title and complete my lyrics line by line with the help of Mureka. I'll also set the style and vocal, then hit generate.
Dreamed of crafting. Saw you standing there, the world just stopped. Is each other. Hey, it's easy to see what we. Oh, saw you standing there, the world just stopped. I couldn't speak. Each other. Hey.
As you can see, there are a lot of different styles you can choose from. You can try out each one until you get the result you want.
Saw you standing there, the world just stopped. We need each other.
Now we come to a very exciting feature of this AI which sets it apart from the others. To test it out, I'll write and complete some lyrics with the help of Mureka. After that, I'll click on the melody option and sing part of the text in my own voice, so it can use it as a melody motif. I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking.
I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking. Don't sleep in, just partying all night.
I'm a little bit drunk, cause I'm drinking. I don't try and put ash inside of mine as I.
I'm a little bit drunk, cause I'm drinking. No sleeping, just partying. partying all night.
Honestly, the first 2 or 3 tries didn't quite hit the mark, but I think this one is worth listening to fully. You'll see how professionally it's been made.
I'm a little bit drunk, I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking, drinking, drinking. No sleeping, just partying all night. I don't know how to be sober anymore. Yeah, I know it seems kinda stupid. Yeah, I think I'd stay up all night. I'm a little bit drunk, I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking, drinking, drinking. And I don't wanna stop, I say yeah, yeah, you know what? I think we should go, I think you should come over. So don't you tell me to go home, I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking, drinking, drinking. So don't you tell me to go home, I'm a little bit drunk, 'cause I'm drinking, drinking, drinking.
In my opinion, it did a really great job, and this feature can definitely help you create professional level music. Here, you can use the regenerate option to recreate the music and maybe get a better result. With the extend option, you can make the track longer. By liking any track, it gets sent to your library so you can easily access it later. You can also use this option to copy and share the music link. From here, you can download the track as an MP3 or without vocals. To download the ownership certificate, you'll need to provide some required information to Mureka. One special feature is that you can list your track for sale in the store through this section. You can also check out the rules and pricing here. Let's also take a quick look at the other sections. In the store, you can find many samples of AI-generated music. You can search for similar tracks by providing a link or uploading your own music file and use them as inspiration. In the library section, you'll find the music you've created, the ones you've liked, and the tracks you've listed for sale. In the credits section, you can compare different subscription plans. With the free plan, you can create up to 6 free tracks per day. Overall, I think this AI is worth trying out. If you're into music, I recommend checking out their website. Until next time, stay creative.